Monday, August 26. Germany will open the upcoming economic week with the IFO business climate. The report is expected at 11:30. The calculation is based on a sample of 7,000 monthly reports from companies in the manufacturing, construction, wholesale and retail sectors. Businesses are surveyed on their current business situation and expectations for the next 6 months. An index value higher than expected is considered favorable for the euro. Moreover, at 15:30, the United States will report on core durable goods orders. This is a leading economic indicator of industrial production. Usually, businesses and consumers place such orders when they are confident in the growth of the economy. Due to the high volatility of the data, several months of data are usually considered. An increase in the number of orders may have a positive effect on the dollar. Tuesday, August 27. On Tuesday, at 9 o'clock, Germany will release gross domestic product data. GDP is calculated quarterly and annually on the basis of national accounts. The data are seasonally and calendar adjusted. GDP growth may favorably affect the euro. On this day, traders will also wait for news from the United States. At 17 o'clock, the Consumer Confidence Index will be released there. It is based on the results of a monthly survey of about 3,000 households. The index is designed to assess the financial condition of the average consumer, his purchasing power and confidence in the market. The Conference Board, a non-profit research organization, calculates it. A rise in the index above the forecast may have a short-term impact on the dollar's rise. Wednesday, August 28. On August 28 at 4:30, Australia will report on construction work done. The data reflects the change in the number of completed residential and non-residential construction projects and engineering structures in the reporting quarter compared to the previous quarter. This indicator is involved in the calculation of GDP and affects the housing and commercial real estate market. The growth of the indicator may positively affect the Australian dollar. Also on this day, at 9 o'clock, the UK will publish the House Price Index from nationwide. The report shows the change in the average price of residential real estate in the country for the reporting month compared to the same month of the previous year. This report is an alternative index of inflation in the British housing market. The growth of the index may favorably affect the pound. Thursday, August 29. On Thursday, traders will actively follow the news from the USA. At 15:30, the GDP report will be published. The indicator reflects the change in the market value of goods and services produced by the national economy, less the cost of production. GDP growth is associated with an increase in domestic spending, and with that, inflation usually increases. Up to a certain point, this spurs the economy and the dollar to rise. In addition, at 17 o'clock, it will be known about United States pending home sales. This indicator reflects the change in the number of contracts for the sale of residential real estate signed in the reporting month compared to the previous month. The calculation includes signed contracts for the secondary sale of detached single-family homes, apartments in condominiums and cooperatives. A rise in the index could lead to a rise in the United States dollar. Friday, August 30. Australia will report retail sales on Friday for 30. They reflect the change in turnover from the sale of goods at retail outlets in the quarter under review compared to the same period last year. The growth of retail turnover is favorable for the economy. Therefore, the release of the report on retail sales may have an impact on the national currency. At 10:55, Germany will inform us about the unemployment rate. The report reflects the percentage change in the number of unemployed compared to the previous month. The indicator is calculated with a seasonal adjustment. Labor market indicators are considered one of the most important economic indicators. A decrease in the unemployment rate may have a positive impact on the euro.